Alright guys, I've started tonight with the Nuffield 460 from my nephew. It had some problems loading up the battery, and I checked the wiring. It's not very good. Overall there's some open cables. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you can see it. And yeah, it doesn't look very good. I've made some checks here and there, and it's going to look like I'm going to have to change every wire. I'm gonna have to start from zero, but that's not a problem. I got some new wire. This is a nice one too. Not very exciting at the first look, but those hairs came almost in touch with the positive side. It's the other way around with this tractor. The positive side is on the chassis. So there's 110 amps battery on this, and it came well, not very far apart. So my nephew is very lucky not to have this thing burned up. So also this thing, all those little things make it totally dangerous, of course. So I'll be going to change that all, and make some new wiring. It's mostly like this, if it wants to focus. Yeah. Well, that's broken open because the wiring is a little bit old, and it will crack if you bend it too much. So yeah, I'm going to change it all with new. Got it all here. So we're gonna bake this load up again, start again all right, so he can have lots of fun with it again, and he doesn't have to drag it on behind another tractor. Well, that's for now my my little update on this. Hopefully you liked it, and there's gonna be soon there's gonna be more of this, and yeah, this is my project the next days. Well, I'm gonna load some more videos of this later, so you can check it out all, and you can see if I am doing it right or not. So yeah, I like this kind of project because you can make your own new wiring loom again, and so it's going to work, hopefully. He's got a new voltage regulator for it, so it has to be good. And the starter motor is hauled over, so that has got to be good. The gauging on the wires is very thick, So there's no problem with that. From the battery to everything else. He's got ground key. That's positive. It's actually it is positive because it's the other way around, of course. And well, there's the voltage regulator, and there's the new alternator. So I'm going to take a shot at this, and hopefully it's going very well.